According to a story that was published by NBC News on Wednesday, March 13, 2024, a federal judge has granted former President Donald Trump a brief reprieve from the substantial judgment that has been handed down against him. The judge approved the bond of $9,163 million that he was required to post in the ongoing legal struggle with E Jean Carroll. The judgment, which was made on Tuesday, March 12, 2024, affords Trump the opportunity to file an appeal while simultaneously providing him with a shield against the immediate enforcement of the verdict. In January, a jury made a decision that ordered Trump to pay Carroll an astounding $83.3 million in defamation damages. This ruling follows that decision after a separate ruling in May, in which Trump was found guilty for both sexual abuse and slander. Carroll had already obtained a $5 million award in damages. This verdict represented the second legal setback for Trump concerning Carroll. Carroll had previously earned a $5 million award in damages through the submission of a notice of appeal earlier this month. Trump's legal team rapidly signaled their intention to oppose the recent defamation judgment. On the other hand, the path that led to the establishment of the substantial relationship was not devoid of any unexpected turns or twists. Particularly noteworthy is the fact that Trump's legal team initially inquired about a reduction in the bond amount, as well as additional time for its acquisition. Nevertheless, in a shift from their earlier position, they were finally successful in securing the full amount of the bond, as was confirmed in a filing that was made the previous week following the announcement that the bond had been granted. Carroll expressed her contentment by referring to the amount as a stupendous amount in a post that she made on Substack earlier this month. Due to the fact that the bond was obtained from federal insurance company, it acts as an important legal maneuver for Trump, providing him with breathing room in the midst of escalating legal problems. The court has given Trump a grace time of 5 days to submit a copy of the approved bond to the court clerk for the Southern District of New York. This is in accordance with the guidance that the court has provided. After this, the execution of the verdict reached by the jury will be temporarily halted, and this will continue until the conclusion of Trump's appeal before the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit is determined. During this time, Trump and his firm are facing yet another financial loss, which is a startling $464 million judgment in a civil fraud lawsuit that was brought in New York. The legal problems continue to pile for Trump and his company. The fact that Trump has chosen to appeal this judgment is more evidence of the seriousness of the legal battles he is currently engaged in on several